Monty and Monty. See the pattern, look in the text, page number 46, supplementary reader. So one lesson already over, no? A fox and the tree trunk. Now you want to learn Monty and Bunty. So the deer had two sons, one with a beautiful yellowish fur named Monty and other with grey fur named Bunty. So how many sons a deer had? A deer had two sons. How many sons? Two sons. The one son is, how the one son is? The with a beautiful yellow fur. Yellow fur. That name is Monty. First son name is Monty. Now is the fur covered with body yellowish. Which fur? Yellowish. Fur. So Monty covered the yellowish fur. Second son was cigarette. And the other with grey fur named Monty. Second son name is Monty. So his fur color was grey. His fur color was what? What is the fur color? Grey. So see. So deer has two sons. The son's name was Monty and Bunty. One day the deer called his sons and offered each of the leadership of 500 deers. So what his father is deer. Father deer want to make a leadership out of two sons. So how many deers are there? 500 deers. On the whole, how many deers are there? 500 deers. So father want to make a leadership, each one. Out of two sons, one son father want to make a leader. See what happened? A harvest time happened to be dangerous for the deer. Harvest means the gathering of the crops. Harvest means what? Gathering the crops. Do you know crops means? Field. So why the harvest happened when get the dangerous to deer? So when deer want to eat these crops, that villager will kills the deer. That's a harvest time too dangerous the deers. So for the deer, Monty and Bunty had a lead their herds to the nearby mountain safely till the harvest season was over. So what happens is Monty and Bunty had to lead their herds means what? A group of deers. Herds means what? Group of deers. So what he did father, that there are a number 500 deers. They single one, it is not too easy to maintenance. So father what did? It make it a group of deers. Herds means what? Group of a deers. So it divides two groups. So his father did was a what did? It made it two groups. So one for Monty and one group for Monty and one group for Bunty. was over there. Father did want to save the deer's life. So that's why he advised to reach safely, to hide the safely near the mountain. Monty and Bunty had lead their herds to the nearby mountain. Why the nearby mountain? Because they safely, the harvest season was over. So be carefully not to be seen by the villagers. You will get killed. Suppose when the harvest time, no, there is gathering crops. Harvest means what? Gathering. Who are doing this gathering crops? Villagers. Suppose if you see the villagers, they get kills you. So be carefully. Be carefully. You reach the where they want to hide, near the mountain. So his father got given advice. Be careful not to be seen by the villagers. If seen the villagers, they kill the deers. So advise their father. Bunty made his group and walked continuously day and night. So Bunty made what did Bunty made? So he made two groups. No, his father. So first group he started to walking. He started to where he want to reach the mountain. He want to save the lives. So Bunty started to their groups. They want to reach mountain. Continuously day and night. So the villagers kill the most of them. Why they kill the villagers? Bunty start with their groups day and night. His father said to go carefully, but Bunty started to walking morning and night. Daytime the villagers are there, no. So what will happen there? The villagers kill some of them in the group. Day and night, the villagers kill the most of them. See why? They started to into the daytime also, no. That's why the villagers kill the deers after them. Meanwhile, wise Monty followed his father's advice. So wise means clever. What do you mean by wise? Wise means clever. So Monty was very clever. So he think once, suppose what he told daddy, he follows daddy's advice. So he carefully follow his advice and lead his hut only in the darkness of the night. So clever Monty, what he did not go in the daytime. So he started to darkness means in the night. So in the night, villagers nobody will there, no, in the villages. Only daytime only will come villagers. In the night time, villagers will not appear there. So Monty started in the night. Darkness of the night. He reached the mountain without a single member being killed. So he reached the mountain, single one deer also not killed in that group. Why? He went in the night, no, that's why. So while running, Bunty again lead his remaining group in a hurry and kills his member of a got killed. So Bunty is there, daytime some of the killed. Returning time also he came. That's why villagers will kill that group. Hari and members got killed. So except him, but Monty returned safely with his entire group. Why? Because he is coming. When the harvest time complete over means they are coming return. So Monty also returning time. How he returning? In night only. That's why Monty safely returned with their groups, with their deeds. So even single deer will not killed by the villagers. Why? Because Monty came in the night, but not like that one day. Except him, all deers will kill the villagers because one day returning in the daytime also. That's why he disappear all days, no, except he only. So his father was pleased to see this and made Monty the leader of all day. Why? Because Monty returned safely with the group of deers. That's why at last father who make a leadership to Monty. Now who become a leader? Monty become a leader. Why? Because Monty has a wise decision he taken. He only started to come returning while going time when he started night time only. So what is the moral of? We should always act upon our parents' advice. So you must. What is the moral? We should always act upon our parents' advice. So if you are doing before any work, you should take parents' advice. So moral is what? We should always act upon our parents' advice. So Monty follow the father advice. Monty should not follow the father advice. That's why he lost his group of deers except him. Monty lost any deer? No. Why? He